In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove auto add rules in QuickBooks Online. This simple and efficient process can help streamline your financial management experience by giving you greater control over your transactions. Whether you're a seasoned QuickBooks user or just getting started, these steps will guide you through managing your rules easily. So let's dive right in. First things first, you'll want to start by signing into QuickBooks Online. Open up your browser and enter the login page. Once there, you'll see a sign in option which you'll need to click. This will bring you directly to the place where you'll access your QuickBooks services. After you've clicked sign in, you'll see an option to choose your QuickBooks product. In this case, select QuickBooks Online from the available options. This ensures you're directed to the right service and can proceed confidently. Now it's time to enter your credentials. You'll need your username or email address along with your password. Go ahead and type those in and then you'll simply click continue. This action will log you into your QuickBooks Online account, giving you access to the tools we need to remove the auto add rules. Next, you want to navigate to the Transactions section. This can be done by going to the Transactions search in QuickBooks. By accessing this area, you will have all your financial data at your fingertips, allowing for easier management and customizations of rules. Once you are in the Transactions area, look for the Banking menu. This is where QuickBooks processes financial data, and it's essential to managing rules. Here, you'll need to click on Rules. This will lead you to the specific page where your current transaction rules are listed. Within the Rules section, there's an option labeled Go to Rules. Clicking this will take you specifically to the part of QuickBooks Online where you have the power to disable or enable each rule. Finally, find the rule you wish to modify. In this case, it's the auto add rule. You'll have the ability to toggle it, which effectively turns off the auto adding of transactions. Turning off this rule means that transactions will no longer be automatically added, giving you the opportunity to review each one before it is finalized. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can easily remove or disable auto add rules in QuickBooks Online, allowing you to maintain full control over how transactions are processed in your financial records. This process not only simplifies financial task management, but also helps to prevent any unwanted automatic entries in the future. Thanks for watching, and remember to like, comment, and subscribe for more QuickBooks tips and tutorials.